Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove contact photo and poster in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Click on All Contacts. Now this is a two-way thing. If you want to remove your personal contact photo and poster in iPhone, click on My Card. Click on Edit at top right. Click on Edit on the contact photo or poster. Then under Avatar or Contact Photo, come down to where you see Monogram, Memoji, and Emoji. And then select your contact photo. Come to Poster. If you have a photo here, change it and then select from either the Memoji, Monogram, and then the rest. Click on check mark at the top right. Then choose your avatar. Then hang on. Click on check mark again. Then choose say this removed the contact photo and the poster photo on your iPhone. And again, if you want to remove for individual contact, come here and search for the contact. Select the contact name with the contact photo or poster. Click on edit. Click on edit again. Again, repeat the same thing for this particular contact, avatar, and then poster, and click on check mark. Then click on check mark again. So this is what you're going to have. You should see your contact photo and poster removed, and that is it. So that's exactly how to remove contact photo and poster in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.